Hi friends, today we are on the Stenner Creek Road. This is the Stenner Creek Road which goes through this way, and this looks like it will go to a Stenner Creek Trail, and it will go take us to the Ukes at San Luis Obispo. So this is a very good spot where people can come and do the biking. I have seen a lot of people coming for biking. I am not sure my son Abhay go on to these trails for biking. I have dropped him here in this spot once. Today I thought, okay, let's go biking on these trails because I will also get to know how these places are and directions are and things like that, and also will be able to share with you these places. So today it is very sunny, and it is 63 degrees in San Luis Obispo. So it's a very good climate, and it is little breeze, cool breeze, and we didn't have a jacket, but it is really good. It is little cold, and I have seen a lot of people going on their bike. So almost like 10-15 people going on that way after their biking, and few people going that side onto the trail. So it's a good day for people to come and do their biking and getting their health in good conditions. I love to go walking, so I am also doing my exercise over the weekend. Once in a week I do my try to keep my exercise be good for the next week and keep myself healthy. So let's go to this trail and explore more. This is the first time I am coming to this trail, so let's see how it goes. So let's walk, let's find out. Basically what I got to see on Google is this is 3.7 miles out and break, and so it's almost approximately 2 hours hiking time. So I'm not sure with how long it will take for us. This is the first time we are doing this, so I'm not sure. So it's a very good, but the conditions are very good. The place is so nice, so and we'll keep you updated on the progress. We will keep you updated. When we walk 5 minutes or so, we will reach a small spot here which is near to private property. I think we need to take a right here so that we can go towards the Stenner Creek trail, right Abhay?
Yes.
So this is a spot where you will be taking the turn and you will walk through this spot. Oh. A small stream of water here, very good, and you will see a small farmhouse kind of farm thing which is private property. So we are going to take this road. It's really windy today, but we are going to take this route. It's really windy and it is a little cold too. It's really windy, right? You have jumps here? You have small jumps here? We cross this small gate, which is like very if you walk a little bit further, and where is a direction through this way as well as here, and people mostly when we go hiking, people take this route. So we are also going to take this route to this spot. Yeah, today it is really windy, so there will be a lot of sound of wind in the video as well. Hope that is okay. I hope all of you watch this video along with us because this is a new place, new spot that you can watch, and if you think that this is one of the places that you can explore, you will get a chance to come here as well after watching this video. So please do watch fully. I hope the wind will get. There is one way here. Do we go here? I think it is because of the river. Huh? Both same. Okay, so there's a good down here. That's why I think people like biking here, because there's a lot of, oh, it will come through this way. If you take that small route, you can come back here, and there is a lot of rocks on these trails. That is interesting, because kids or people who are on biking, they will definitely enjoy this space. Yeah, now the wind is not that much because we are going through the trees, so it is very cool and very nice spot to walk and enjoy the location, the trees. Wow, this is a really awesome place, and I am not sure whether there is a small, look at the squirrel, I don't know whether you are able to see, there is a small, might be a small stream of water on that side, so that is another good thing to see here. Yeah, when we walk almost like 20 minutes, you will find the stream of water which was flowing through. This is a spot where you will find that spot where you will see that water flowing through those small spots, and there is a place where you can cross this small water stream, and we can cross this and go through this trail. So it's almost like 20 minutes away from where we started, so it is a very good spot. Yeah, it is really breezy today. It's a very good spot to enjoy the, yeah, so it's a very good space here. It's little steep here. We have till now, whatever, for the last 20 minutes we have never felt any steep areas, but now it looks like we have to cross this steep portion, and there is a railway track there, right away? Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we go across to the next spot.
Okay, so we are reaching the railway track on our way on this trail. It is really good breeze. We will go to the next spot and continue. So when you go here, you will see this gate. This will take us to the railway track. It's a railway crossing here, and there you find a board talking about the trail. So there is a railway crossing here on this spot. There's a track here.
And I'll tell you, if you continue this railroad track, keep on going that way. There's the other trail. You can go down to Cal Poly.
Okay.
And that's where the spot is over there.
Okay. Yeah, we are on this track. Very good. Go. There are a couple of people coming down on this trail. Okay, there is the Stena Springs Trail board. Okay. Let's cross. Yeah, this is a very good area. So this is where the board for Stena Springs Trail is. So we are here in the Stena Spring Natural Reserve, and we were looking into this board. We have now gone through this before. We got to see this here now. So we are here in this spot. From here it is told like we should take the orange line, Orange line is for hiking. So this is a recommended route for hiking. So it will reach to a small portion here, and then we can come back through this orange line. It is overall the Stannard flow is I don't think so. It's like from here it is 0.6 miles to 8, then 3
0.5.
and 3.6. So maybe like at 1 or 2 miles. That is what I would understand.
It's 0.5 right here.
Yeah, but I think the overall it says it's 1 or 2 miles. That's what it says. So we will be going through this trail, and we will cover the Stannard Creek trail, and we will come back. So where is Ukes? Where does the Uke come from?
Ukes is somewhere.
This
So
place?
this is shooters, and right here. You take a left right here, and the Ukes is right here.
Ukes is this portion?
Yeah,
Okay,
that
this is where you always say that okay, you are going to Ukes, that means you are going this spot.
Yeah.
Okay, so very good, very good.
And that's over there is Morning Glory.
Uh-huh.
Right there.
Okay, very good. Okay, this is here it is written, right? The Ukes. So the biking spot usage biking only. So Ukes is mainly meant for biking. It is not for hiking. The hiking is only to the Stannard flow on this area. So those who are coming here, to this spot, there is a clear direction here given. There is no parking on this spot, so you will have to park on the Stannard Creek Road, and you might have to walk to this spot, or you have to park somewhere else and you have to walk to this spot. So there is no parking on this area that I have seen anywhere here. So you will have to walk a little bit, you have to park a little bit further, maybe walk for 20 minutes to reach this spot. So that is what I did today. So we will be going through this to get to this spot. So let's enjoy hiking, and let's see how it goes to the rest of the flow. Yeah, when we come a little bit further on the trail, you will see a small bridge here, and you will see the stream of water here and a small waterfall. I have never experienced such a small portion anywhere in San Luis Obispo. So it is very good to see the water falling down on this portion. Right away?
Yeah.
Very nice. The feeling like the water falling down, the sound, right? So nice to hear. Yeah, actually it is very nice to hear that sound. Yeah, when we walk through this spot, when we come here, we will find another space where we will see the water flowing on this wooden board bridge. This is the place where the water is coming from, and you saw the waterfall down when I showed you in the previous slides. So you will be seeing that, and once you walk further, you will see the next spot where you will see some good rocks, very nice rocks. And where should we go, Abhay?
On this
Access road. That is the orange one, and it is called elevator trail.
That's for hiking. Here, go straight. This part right there.
Oh, the orange one, right? Orange one is for hiking. Hey, where is a good rock, Abhay? Super rock. Right? Yeah. Go take a straight up, or I think we should go up, right away? Go up?
Yeah.
Okay. Looks like we need to go up. There's a biking trail. I think the bike trail come back to this one, right?
Yeah.
The biking trail will come back to this. So we have to climb up on this spot. Really windy. If you see there are the railway tracks We came through this road. You will see some poles there. We are walking through this trail. We are going up here. It was so badly windy and we were walking against the wind. It was really good. We enjoyed it. Look, the stream of water is going through that spot. So it is really coming up from the top. So it is really good. We completed the elevator flow, right away. We completed the elevator flow and we are continuing on this trial. Huh?
The elevator flow that we did with Center Creek.
What's that?
The elevator flow that we just did with Center Creek.
Oh yeah, Center Creek. Initially it was called elevator flow, right? Yeah.
I think it's supposed to go up.
Okay. Oh, okay.
The
Uh huh. Yeah, it was so windy, right? It's nice to see the railway track from here away, right? The full view of this from this spot, very nice. It is really windy on top of this spot. We came through this direction little up just to climb up to this spot where we are standing now, and we see that this place is really awesome, really awesome, in the sense like if you can see there is a railway track. If you see on top there is a Bishop Peak, and the whole of the mountains are fully covered on this area. And what Abhay told me, that is the spot is got shooters. There is shooters, and the people are biking from that area so fast, and they come to this place. And we reached the Hughes area where people used to come here and do the biking. And I was telling Abhay, he should take a real good video of this place, because this area is meant for really bikers to enjoy their biking. So we are going a little up further, and I hope we'll end somewhere here and we'll walk back. But this is a very good spot for bikers. There is a spot here. We'll watch what is there on that board. This is a place where, again, the board is written here as the Stream Spring National Reserve. Very windy. Very windy. Yeah. This is a very good spot. And if you see here on the board, we are here on the top. We started from here when we took the previous board, and now we were here and we covered all the spot to this one, to the orange on the top. So that is where we are here, and now we should be walking back through this and going back to the spot. And these white lines are the biking trails, I believe.
The yellow ones.
Yellow ones, yeah. So this is very good. What happened?
Right here, you can take the trail.
Yeah. Yeah, Abhay was telling me, like, if you stand here, you will see the good trails. Oh yeah, there is lot of good things, Abhay. No, you will be slipping.
I've already gone down.
Yeah. So there are a lot of trails here. It is really meant for biking, because the boards are all kept, and it is like you need to bike for almost 30-40 minutes to reach here. Or if you are coming from the botanical spot.
Yeah, no, it's like you can kind of pick if you want to go to botanical or shooters. And so if you're up there, you can take a left to shooters, you can go right to botanical. But most people probably do shooters, and they come down that way, and they come there, and usually they go to Ukes, and then after that, once they finish at Ukes, they go down there. Or once they do Ukes, they go down there.
Mhm.
There's a lot of like things over there, and then you go down to Center Creek, and then you go out.
Center Creek, right?
Center.
Stunner Creek. Okay, Stunner Creek. Yeah, this is a very good spot. Very good, nice place to relax. It's really windy, so it is very cool. This area, so you will definitely enjoy walking on these places. So the Stunner Creek trail is done. So we are just looking at this spot.
There's a jump right there.
Look at the trails,
There's a jump right
the biking trails. Wow.
there. There's a jump right over there.
The interesting thing is this is not near to San Luis Obispo main spots or the city area, but it is interior. It is inner to the mountains. So I don't see much people using these places, but it is very interesting, very nice place to come here and enjoy your biking experience. Yeah, the bikers came from the top and went through these, right?
Yeah.
So they take the turn here and enjoy the Ukes.
The Ukes is right there. You see the board.
Easiest way down.
The Ukes is right over there.
Yeah, easiest way down. Wow. And this is Ukes. Pew, pew, pew. This is Ukes. And very good place. Very nice. And this is the easiest way down. So we can go back this, or bikers can take this trail, enjoy their biking and have a good fun during the day. So we are going to walk back this spot and relax and walk back now and complete our trail for the day. So we are planning to go back. So we have covered till the Uke through the Stunner Creek trail, and we are now going back. On the way back, we are going to take the access road, and we will meet the same spot where we walk through, so that we can enjoy different route a little bit on the way back. So when you go up, we saw an old man here who was hiking up. He was so excited. He was going up. I think he was talking about going to the that area, right?
Yeah.
Botanical area. So it is like how many, 6 miles or something?
That's what he said.
Yeah. So it's so far. Here from this spot, if you go up little bit high, we can see the spot where we can take a direction to the Botanical and the what is the place? Shooters. So there are 2 spots. One on the Shooters on this side and Botanical on that side. Botanical will take to the highway, right?
They're both gonna take that.
Yeah. So it's a very good place where you can enjoy biking and also walking. But I have seen a lot of people on the bikes because this place is very important. That is where people come here and enjoy their biking. So we will go back. So we will be walking back on this trail. We will take the access road and we will walk back. It was so windy, so it was not sure how the video will look like, but we were always waiting to see the windies goes down and then we'll take the video. Let's see how it goes. Let's enjoy walking. I want all of you to watch the whole video and enjoy the walking. Please put your comments so that it will be helping us to improve our video on the next time. So please do that. Yeah, so when we come through the access road, we will come to this spot where we are supposed to take the direction onto the left. There is a road onto the right, but still I'm not sure where the right would take us to, but we are taking the left because the arrow lead us to that particular spot. So we are taking this spot through the access road to reach our spot. You see there, that is a spot where you will see the Ukes, and we are just around this area enjoying the access road back to the main Steener Spring Trail or Steener's Trail. So we are going towards that spot. This area is so nice. Look at the biker who is coming from. Is he coming from the Shooter?
Where?
There.
Oh yeah.
He's coming.
Botanical.
He's coming from Botanical. Yeah. So people are enjoying. Oh, there is one more biker coming down. So the people are enjoying biking a lot here in this area. I think it is people are coming here for as a biking area because of the ukes. And again, here comes our stream of water. Wow, this is the water that is flowing through that small waterfall. Yeah, so this stream goes to the bottom where we initially started seeing the water flowing down. So the access road takes us back to the same spot where we climbed up. We climbed up through this trail. This trail we went up. This trail we went up, and the access road takes us back to this spot. So this is the spot where we come back, and we then go to the same route back to our starting point on the streamer trail starting point. So we are going to take this route. We'll go this way.
You can go right.
This one. This is a biker spot, right? You have to go down, Magla. No, Saru is from here. You should take this. You are coming that way. Wow, Abhay is on his bike. He's going through that spot. Be careful, Abhay. You go down.
What?
Come. So the bikers will come after the biking here. It will come there, right? Abhay? They'll come here, or they will go through the same route. They come that way. Okay, they will come through that. Yeah, next week we will do this, Abhay. We'll take your bike. We'll come here, and I want you to take a biking video. Okay, Abhay? Very good. So we are walking back through this road. It's very good. Yeah, look, this is a biking trail way. Bikers can really enjoy this spot. I think you should do a biking video on this one, on your bike. So there is a friend trail. What is that road? There's a trail there.
I think it's called Red Dog.
Yeah, you take this route. This is the elevator trail. So we are taking back the elevator trail to go back to our original spot. This is the same trail that we came up. There are a lot of trees, lot of good spots to enjoy, and I believe we will get back to our waterfall area. So you will enjoy that area as well. This is very cool. We came through this spot and we reached that spot. So this is very good. We will continue to enjoy our walking. So this is the stream that you will be seeing till the bottom. So we will walk a little faster. We will try to reach the spot at the end of the trail, elevator trail, and we will meet you there. Trying to jump on that small floor. No, Abhay. Abhay is going to try this small little jump.
I'm gonna go on like the very right side.
Showing some sportsman spirit here. Come on,
Go
Abhay.
on the very right side.
Okay, ready, go.
You think no.
Let's try. Let's try. 1, 2, 3, go. You also didn't do that, right?
Are you trying to jump?
Huh?
Or are you trying to jump?
I was trying to jump to this spot, but I tried to jump on this spot, this part, but I landed on this one. But it was okay. It was fun.
We're back at the place we started, and we started coming from over there, where the train track is, and we came across the train track, and we went to this gate, and we continued to go up that way, and as we know, we went up to the Ukes, and so we're back at this board where my dad was explaining everything on this board, and we're right here, and this is everything that we did. We went on the orange path, and we came back on the access road, and the Ukes is right over here. So we're gonna we've been here for a little while, and we're just gonna continue past the track, and then just go down the same way we came up, and that's where we're gonna end it at. So yeah.
So we are going to walk back and go to our parking area. I don't know, like there is no other area, right, Abhay, for parking here?
Yeah,
I have not seen any parking space.
You can park at where the shooters is on that area,
Mm-hmm.
where you parked me up yesterday.
Yeah.
In that spot, and then or you can just if you follow the train track and you go that way, and you go down this hill, there is you can probably park at Kapali,
Mm-hmm.
and come up this way too, but that's probably gonna take a lot longer.
Okay. So one thing that we decided now was, like, next week we will again try to come here. Next week Abhay wanted to do a bike on Ukes and take a video of that. That is what we will be doing next week. And another one what we wanted to do was we wanted to go through the shooter. What is that? Shooters trail. After we today went to Ukes, from there we can continue to Shooter. So we wanted to see how far is Shooter, and there is a botanical trail as well. We wanted to take both of that trail and enjoy that as well. So we will try to do that next time. That is what we wanted to do. So we will try that. Next time and see how beautifully we can enjoy these trails. So we are back to our parking area. So it was very nice. I think to the Ukes, I think we had almost like 3 to 4 miles. That's what I would assume. It was not that far, to my understanding. That is a spot that we can see now from here. That is a spot where it is called Ukes. So from here we walk to Ukes. We spend some time there. We walk back. And the Ukes is when my son used to say he's going to Ukes, I was saying that this trail is Ukes, but this trail is not Ukes. I think this road is called Stenner Creek Road. The Stenner Creek Road will take us to the Stenner Creek Trail starting point, and from there we will take the elevator trail, and we will go to the Ukes. And Ukes is a place where you can do a good biking. That is a very beautiful spot for bikers. People do really enjoy. From Ukes, you can little bit go up. You can go to the botanical or to the, what is the other one?
Shooters.
Yeah. The other place is Shooters. You can see the Shooters trail there. I think that is the trail that you see there is the Shooters trail. And so that is how. So you can take a split, one to the botanical and one to the Shooters. So it is very good trail to walk. Most of the people come here for walking and also biking. Biking is more prominent because of Ukes. People come there and enjoy Ukes and they go back. So that is what. And the good things that we saw today in this trial is we saw that this is a very good place for walking and biking. We saw a lot of people, few people walking, and there were a lot of bikers also on these trials. And today it was so windy. The temperature was 63. And we saw one old person who was walking, and he was going very up to, I think he was going to the botanical area. So he was walking. So I was so proud that he is doing that kind of activities to keep his health at this age. So that was very nice. And there was a water stream on this trail, very beautiful. Okay, from the top it was flowing through, and one spot it is very nice to see that stream, because the water that is flowing down, the sound that we hear, it was so good, so nice. So we spent a little bit time there, standing there to listen to the sound of water flowing down, and the sound there, it was very good, and you will really enjoy walking on that trail. I have never seen any other trails which had such a water flow on a small stream, which gives us a very good experience. So that was another good thing that we saw here, and it was very good to walk on this. So we enjoyed walking on this trail. I hope you all will enjoy watching us walking on these trails. We will come up with next week. We are again going to go through this, and we are going to use, Abhay is going to bike on the Ukes, and we will take a video of that. So we are going to do that. Thank you for watching the video, and please like, subscribe and share this video, and give your feedback below, so that it can give us some good comments or bad comments, and we can improve our video in the upcoming uploads. So thank you very much.